Changing your plan on Monster.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your subscription successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Monster.com website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the plan you want to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select subscription or plan options. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscription, Plan, or Billing. Click on this option to view your current plan details and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available to you. Select the one that best fits your needs. You may be prompted to compare features and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Step 5. Confirm changes and payments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Monster.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monster's customer support for assistance.